Hello, I am Jyotiraj Brahmanandan, Chief Executive of Brahma Jyoti Supreme Office Worldwide. I am the official communicator also. This is the sixth video in this series. Before proceeding, I will give you the time specification today. Today, 29th January 2021, Friday. Being Friday, the presiding deity is Chitragupta and Mahalakshmi, the goddess of wealth. And now we are in Capricorn zodiac. Previously we were in Sagittarius. Now Sun has moved to Capricorn zodiac. So we also moved to Capricorn zodiac, even though our base office is in Sagittarius, from where the life originates. Our main office is Sagittarius, but we move along with Sun. Now Sun is in Capricorn zodiac. In Capricorn zodiac, the presiding deity is Yama, the god of death. Here in Capricorn zodiac, Sun is present, the Sun god is present, then Mercury is present, Mercury Sri Krishna, representing Mercury, Sri Krishna is present, then along with Sun and Mercury, Jupiter, Guru is present. Jupiter, representing the Jupiter planet. Jupiter, Guru is present. Now, it is in this is the second house. Capricorn zodiac is the second house after life originates from Sagittarius. This is the second house. So in the second house, we sanction wealth. Money and wealth. Second house, where it is standardized throughout. From after your birth, if your birth is in some particular zodiac, the next house after that is the house of money. First chance you get from the second house. That is immediately after birth, after the second house, you will get the money. That is where you get the money. Here in the zodiac, in the Capricorn zodiac, as per my system and the original system, after the assessment at Sagittarius, the entire life, what we had done, that will be assessed in Sagittarius. And the money sanctions are made in my system after the payment, just like what you get after your work. Here we sanction whatever you have done in your life, but that will be assessed in Sagittarius by the ancient sages, and you will be paid. That is called the day of judgment. On the day of the judgment, you get the benefits for what you have done in the life. So here, after assessment by these ancient sages, you will get the benefits, the wealth, money and wealth. Also, for the forward journey also, the life has already originated from Sagittarius. Immediately after that, after birth, you require money. Especially you are sanctioned money for food. That is done here. Money, then clothes, shelter, like that. First importance is for food. Money is for first importance for food, then clothing, then shelter and other expenses, like that. Then education also. As you progress, you need education. So for that also money is sanctioned. This is the system. And we have office in all the 12 zodiacs, the entire world, that is ruled from 12 zodiacs. This is the second zodiac after Sagittarius. This is the second zodiac, Capricorn. Just exactly opposite this is Cancer. So there you have most of the difficulty. And just exactly opposite is here, in this zodiac. This is a very wealthy zodiac. This is from where you get money. And this zodiac is ruled by Yama, the god of death. That is, if you make malpractice and try to get out, you will be caught and killed. Or some diseases will happen. If you remember, COVID-19 started somewhere from this Sagittarius and initiated from this zodiac. That was on December 31st. January, that got first appearance last year. So, after the assessment, either a punishment or reward is decided. Last time it was decided that should be a penalty for the entire world. Like also the money is also sanctioned here. This time now in last 14 days, India lost about 1.5 lakh crore rupees per